Hello, my name is Jonah. This is my 2009 Pontiac G8 GT. The roof molding needs to be replaced. It's hard to tell in this picture, but the molding is all water spotted and ugly. The car is really dusty right now. It's in my storage unit and I didn't get a chance to clean it up, so please don't judge me. But I just got some tools from Harbor Freight, and I think I kind of went a little bit overboard here. I think all I'm going to need is one, just to grab this bottom edge here. I don't want to scratch nothing, you know, so I'm just going to grab this bottom edge and just work on my way up here, just pulling it. There really isn't anything to break. The clips are on the molding, and the new molding comes with new clips. I accidentally purchased new clips not knowing what I was buying, so don't buy the clips if you buy the molding, because they're pretty good. Now I'm just gonna clean up this channel some. It's got years and years of grime and such in here. Pretty gross. That's gonna be the next thing I replace. The windshield stuff. Probably could use one of my new little tools here to do this. I think that'll about do it. There we go. Got all the stuff out of there. I'll tell you, that was a lot easier than I was expecting to pull that off of there. I did not know what to expect. So it's easy to get these mixed up because the ends are a little different and they're curved a little different, so be sure you put them on the right damn side. I'm just going to lay this one on here like this. Get it to about where I want it. I don't want to cover the windshield molding because when I have the windshield replaced, they'll have to pull it up. So And there I went and did what I told myself I shouldn't do. Well, I guess we're going to try and pull this up a little bit. Okay. Want this over that. Pop this up a little bit. Oops. No worries, didn't break nothing. Ugh. Just caught it. Just caught it. There we go. Oops. Well, the good thing is you can slide it around a little bit. Once it's there, try and get it the right position that you like. There we go. Tuck behind the molding for the windshield, because I'm going to have it replaced sometime. I don't want them having to pull that off. Well, there it is. Popped on, popped off.